Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have some Prizm Panini hobby pack, I believe, of Prizm. We get a bonus pack of 3 card, red, white and blue, 15 cards inside. Let's see what we get inside. Hopefully we get something banger good. Check that. I got it now. Sorry, I'm very slow at this. We'll save the bonus pack till last. Here we go. This is the exciting part. Well, let's wait until the bonus pack. Actually, could I borrow them? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Here we go. See the cards inside there. Ooh. Well, at least we can see the first card anyways. So we can continue the video. Please hit that like button. Please smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bells for more awesome Sam's Life hobbies. Maybe in the future, we might have a legacy hobby box coming up. So stay tuned, subscribe and like the videos for some awesome content. Ooh, we have something good at the back. It's just the wind. Jaguars, Mark Brunell. Steve Largent for the Seattle Seahawks. It's nice. Ooh, that's a first banger, straight up. For the Miami Dolphins, their quarterback, Tua Tagovailoa. Sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing his name. Chris Jones for the Kansas City Chiefs. DeAndre Swift for the Detroit Lions. Justin Simmons for the Denver Broncos. Taysom Hill for the New Orleans Saints. Oh, no, sorry. Jarvis Landry for the Cleveland Browns. Brian Burns for the Carolina Panthers. Here we go. Noah Gray, rookie card. That's a nice one. Ooh. Oh my God, we just pulled a Dalvin Cook, on the green for the Vikings. Oh, that's awesome. We have the Minnesota Vikings, like I said. Ooh, Pittsburgh. Najee Harris, rookie card. That is awesome. It's awesome. It's great condition. That is awesome. There you go. You want to have a look at that. That is awesome. Best card out of the pack. Sorry, Dalvin Cook. That is awesome. Oh, sorry. I had to put Dalvin Cook there. He goes there. That is awesome. Oh my God, I can't get over that. He was really good in his rookie years too. It was really good in his rookie year. That is awesome. Let's move to the bonus pack now, which I'm really excited for. Because maybe we can build a Patriots, maybe even a Raiders, maybe even the Kansas City Chiefs, which they are going to the Super Bowl versus the Philadelphia, I'm pretty sure. So any of those teams with Jalen Hurts or Patty Mahomes would be good. Maybe even a Mac Jones. That would be awesome. I got it, I believe. Yeah, I got it. Oh, got it. Here we go. Oh, crap. I tried to use that card. Just put that there. Thank you. AJ Green for the Arizona Cardinals. That's a nice card. Like I said, ooh, rookie card. I saw this one. Daingabo. Sorry. Indianapolis Colts. Never heard of him. That's my first ever one of those cards. Pretty cool. Is this upside down? Yeah. Here we go. Last card. Here we go. Oh, Justin Herbert! The Chargers quarterback. That is awesome. It's pretty sad that it's not his rookie card year, but that is awesome. I can't believe I just pulled the Justin Herbert. Oh my God, look at the corners. They're perfectly sharp. Oh, maybe not this one. Oh, it's perfect. It's pretty good centering. It's pretty straight. There you go. It's pretty good. Well, there we go. That is a banger pack. Stay tuned for some more awesome content like that for the Najee Harris, Daingabo, and Justin Herbert. Maybe even the AJ Green if you're a Cardinals fan. Like I said, please like the video, smash the subscribe button, and thank you. Goodbye. Have a good day.